this beautiful car was driven by all of us, but I thought the acceleration, handling, cornering, I know I'm speaking racing driver's language, but
You seem to be doing
was
pretty well.
fabulous. I thoroughly enjoyed this car on racetrack, and I'm looking forward to getting in this car to be able to zip around Mumbai roads. Yeah, it is a wonderful machine, and I've thoroughly enjoyed those 2 days on racetrack. I'm looking forward to driving this car, but coming to you, you are a lucky one. You get to drive the Racing Z version BMW on racetrack.
I completely agree with you, Sachin. I mean, the BMW 1 Series is the car of the moment. I mean, it tends to stand out, I think, in the busiest of roads, and it works perfectly in India. It's the size and stability. Especially when with a rear-wheel drive car, which produces about 140 brake horsepower, and the 8-speed automatic transmission gearbox. Any young motorhead like me would just want to make a statement with it.
As a car, I like the entire package. I mean, it's difficult to pinpoint one particular aspect of the car when the whole car is built beautifully. You look at the screen inside, it's 1 Series, but it's got iDrive, which is fantastic for anyone to be able to operate. And if it's not just the size, but also the styling. It's like putting 3 Series, 5 Series, and 7 Series together in this wonderful package and call it 1 Series. It's just fantastic. I think looking at the traffic conditions and the road conditions, this is something which will allow all the guys to enjoy the drive. It's easy to park, and above all, like always, BMW have not compromised on security, luxury, technology. It's at the highest, and that is what matters to me. So I'm fully in love with this car.